Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can resolve this error that whenever we try to upload any particular file on Udemy, let's say, or any other platform, if it shows you this message, response does not include the base64 encoded policy and you are confused and tried a lot of times and it doesn't work, what is the problem and what is the solution for it? Let's see. Now the solution might be very simple. As you can see here that my date is not correct. I'll just simply right click on it and click on adjust date and time. And we can simply click on set time automatically and also at the same time make sure that your region selected is correct. Once you set the time automatically, it will immediately change the date to the correct date. And after that, what we can do is just delete here and just try to select that file again. And after that, it should upload without a problem. But if the problem is still there, what we can do here is just try to give a different name, especially if we are trying to upload it again. So just change the name to any other name and then try to upload that. And as we can see, now it's processing. So hopefully one of the solutions might work for you. Just comment down below if that works for you. And if you want to learn more, just subscribe to our channel for all the future videos and I'll see you in the next one.